Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. So I have a DIY hack that you can use for your sheer curtain panels, and this is what I like to do when I want to use tiebacks to hold my sheer panels. Now, you know your sheer panels are very thin, so when you use regular tiebacks and you just want to pull back the sheer panels, you have a hard time getting the tiebacks to stay. If that makes any sense, because it's always sliding because the panels are very, very thin. So what you can do, this is a hack that I like to use, is napkin rings. These are plastic. You can find these at Dollar Tree, I think even Walmart. If you go to Walmart, just look in the party section, you know, where they sell the party supplies, weddings, all of that. But you'll find them over there. But I had purchased some from Dollar Tree and Party City. Party City is no longer open in my area. I think they closed down all the Party Cities, but these are plastic. These were only $1 at the Dollar Tree. I think at Walmart, maybe like $1.99, you know, just different prices. But these are plastic and they have a whole bag of them. Okay, I also have them in gold. And what I've done with these before is I took some fabric, okay, just some fabric ribbon, and just glued it, hot glued it to the napkin rings. So I'll use these in my tablescapes, things like that. I've even blinged it out. So these are old, okay? So you could just do so many things with it, but I'm gonna use these to hold my sheer curtains in place, okay? Because I want to pull them together like this. So just take it from the bottom, really easy. You're just gonna come in just like that, because I get tired of well, I used to get tired of using my curtain tiebacks to hold back my shears, and it just didn't do right. So this is so much easier. Look, okay, so you want to like fluff it out just a little bit. You can do that as well, you know. So just do what you please, and that's going to hold it. You don't have to worry about it sliding off, anything like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other one, and I still have to steam out my curtains. I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna do that in a few minutes. I may do it in this video. And these sheer panels are really, really nice. I ordered these from Amazon. These are from Amazon, maybe like a year and a half ago. Make sure they're even. Okay, and I have some white shears here, but I'm not going to pull these ones back, but you guys get the idea, and it's perfect. Okay, so I'm going to do the other one, the other window. Do the same thing. And when I hung up these sheer panels, I hung them up upside down because these are the panels. They have the middle seam where you put the rod in the middle, and then you have some fabric at the top that kind of ruffles up. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, I flipped them upside down. So, but yeah, these are some nice panels. I will link them in the description box. These are a dark gray color. Really, really beautiful. So, there you have it.
Yesterday I was clever, wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I'm changing myself. Let go of who you are, become who you might be. Let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings, your heart knows the way. It's your road to walk, and yours alone. You'll be a lion, you'll be the deer, be like a tree, let the dead leaves fall. Let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings, your heart knows the way. Stars are seen in the dark, silence the mind. Stars are seen in the dark, silence the mind. Let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings, your heart knows the way. Let your life become living poetry. You were born with wings, your heart knows the way.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. A cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, baby? It was just a lover.
Yeah, trying to get you out my thoughts today. Still chained to you when I walked away. Still chained, you know it'd be hard to break, cause I kept it way too real to automate. I wanna talk to you for my conscience sake, trying to make my mind and body cooperate. Used to have some shots to give for ones you take, but then I took them all to heal and lost the way. Got me riding around listening to Marvin Gaye. reminisce what was, cause now it ain't. And through my mind I trail for hours till it all devours. I'm amongst the prowlers on your page. See how you spend the days without eating me inside. That I'm phasing out, but I plays it, and it drains me. I done made some, but it pains me. You want the real from me, here it is, here it go. I want you dead to me, head gone real smoke. I want you here with me, bad, I'll let it go. But I can't have both, I'm done. I hope this love a bum that's gon' blow. No regret, no rewind, no more waste, no more time, no more wait, let's go away. I stay out of mind. No regret, no rewind, no more waste, no more time, no more wait, let's go away. I stay out of mind.
Baby, well, let's be honest, it was just a love bomb. I just wanna go back to how it was. I just wanna lay in each other's arms all day, Sammy, it's just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Thought our love is harmless, ended up as love. Kiss me with that love bomb. Can't we love becoming so strong? What it was just a love bomb. It was just a love bomb.